So hello all, now this is exercise 12.2 chapter 12 question number first. Find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeter. We have already written the formulas. Radius is 6 centimeter and angle of the sector theta is 60 degree. So what the question wants to say, if theta is 60 degree, we have to find out the area of sector. This area we have to determine. So we know that area of sector, this is minor sector, so theta upon 360 pi r square, which is equal to 60 upon 360, 22 by 7, r is 6 multiplied 6, 6 6 36, 10 0. Now 6 multiplied 2 is 12, 6 multiplied 2 is 12, 13, 132 upon 7 centimeter square. This is area. Next question number second. Find the area of a quadrant. Whenever it is asking for a quadrant, that means theta is 90 degree, right? Quadrant related to quarter means 1/4, so 1/4 means 90 degrees theta. Secondly, circumference is equal to 22 centimeter. Now circumference is 2 pi r, which is 22. This implies 2 multiplied 22 by 7 multiplied by r is equal to 22. So that means r is equal to 22. 22 multiplied by 7 upon 2 multiplied 22. 22 cancel, which is 7 by 2. So radius is 7 by 2. Theta is 90 degree. Find the area of quadrant. So area of quadrant is equal to 90 upon 360. Theta is 90 for quadrant. Pi r square. 90 upon 360. 22 by 7. R is 7 by 2. 7 by 2. This from this get cancelled. 1 time, 4 times, 2 times, 11 times. So that is equal to 77 upon 2 multiplied 2, 77 upon 8. So 77 upon 8 centimeter square. This is answer. Next question number third. So question number third is, find the length of a minute, the length of a minute hand is, that means radius is equal to 14 centimeter. Length of minute hand means radius. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So in 5 minutes, find the area. So we know that in 60 minutes, angle swept by minute hand is equal to 360 degree. If you watch your clock, so in 60 minutes, in complete 60 minutes, it will goes a complete revolution or rotation. That means it is rotating 360 degree, right? So in 60 minutes, angle swept by minute hand is 360 degree. So similarly, in 1 minute, angle swept by minute hand is equal to 360 upon 60, 6 degree, right? So in 5 minutes, angle swept by minute hand is 6 multiplied 5, which is 30 degree, right? So theta is equal to 30 degree. Theta we know, radius we know. So area of sector is equal to, or what you have to determine, find the area swept. So area required, or required area, is equal to area of sector, which is theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square, so 22 by 7, okay, pi r square. So theta is 30 upon 360, 22 by 7, r is 14, 1 time, 2 time, 1 time, 12 time, 6 time, 11 time, 1 time, 3 times. So 14, 154 upon 3 centimeter square. So 154 upon 3 centimeter square is question number third's answer. Now this is question number fourth. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends 90 degree at the center. So this is a figure I have drawn. This is a chord. Radius is 10 centimeter, making 90 degree from the center. Now what has been asked? find the area of minor segment. So we know that area of minor segment is equal to area of minor sector minus area of triangle. So area of minor sector is theta upon 360 pi r square minus area of triangle. Now if I call it OAB, so area of triangle is half base into height, because 90 degrees there, so we can take base as OA and height as OB. So base into height, theta is 90 upon 360 multiply 22 by 7 multiply by 10 multiply by 10 minus half base is OA and height is OB. So this is 1 by 4 multiply 22 by 7 multiply by 100 minus 1 by 2 multiply by 10 multiply by 10. Now we can take 100 common, right? Taking 100 common, we will have inside 1 by 4 multiply 22 by 7 minus 1 by 2, right? 211, or we can say this is 100 bracket 11 upon 14 minus 1 by 2. So that will be equal to 100, taking LCM 14, 11 minus 7, so which is 100 bracket 11 minus 7 is 4 upon 14, so 7, so which is equal to 200 upon 7 centimeter square. So answer is 200 upon 7 centimeter square. Next is second part, we have to find out area of major sector. Okay, here it is given that use pi is equal to 3.14, so don't use pi as 22 by 7, better use it as 3.14. So if you use it 3.14 here, 3.14 multiplied 100 is 314 upon 4. Similarly, so better use it 314 upon 4 and you will get the answer. Question number part second, area of major sector. Now area of major sector is equal to 360 minus theta upon 360 multiply pi r square, so which is 360 minus 90 upon 360, 3.14 10 10, which is 270 upon 360, 314, 3 times 4 times, so 2 times 157, so 157 multiplied by 3, so this will be equal to 235.5 centimeter square. So this is question number 4th, right? Question number 5, in a circle of radius 10 centimeter, so sorry, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, so r is equal to 21 centimeter, and arc subtends an angle of, so theta is equal to 60 degree, right? So find the length of arc. Okay, so length of arc is equal to theta upon 360 multiply 2 pi r, so 60 upon 360 multiply by 2 multiply 22 by 7 multiply by 21, so 161337777 22, which is equal to 22 centimeter, right? Next, area of sector formed by the arc. So area of sector, right? So if I draw the figure, so this is 60 degree OAB. So area of sector, so area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 pi r square. So theta is 60 upon 360, pi value 22 by 7, r is 21 multiplied 21, So 1 time, 6 time, 3 time, 11 time, 3 time, 1 time. Okay, this is 1 time, and this is 7 times, 7 to 7 times. So 21 multiplied by 11, so which is equal to 21 multiplied by 11, 231 centimeter square, 231 centimeter square. Okay, 21 multiplied by 11 or 7 to 7. Okay, 21 multiplied by 11, 231 centimeter square. Next, we have to find the area of segment formed by the corresponding chord. Now for area of segment, that means this portion, right? So if I talk about in triangle OAB, we know that OA is equal to OB is equal to radius of circle, right? So angle opposite to OA is angle B is equal to angle A. Angle opposite to OB is angle A, because we know that angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So angle B is equal to angle A is equal to X. Let us assume it be a X, right? So angle A plus angle B plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. Reason is angle sum property of a triangle. So X plus 60 is equal to 180 degree. This implies X is equal to 60 degree. 180 minus 60 is 120. 2x is equal to 120, so X is equal to 60 degree, right? So X is 60 means angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. That means all three angles are equal. This implies triangle AOB is equilateral triangle, right? Triangle AOB is equilateral triangle. Now if triangle AOB is equilateral triangle, so area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. So area of sector is 231 minus area of triangle. So area of equilateral triangle formula is root 3 by 4 side square, which is 231 minus root 3 upon 4 side value. Side value is 21 square, right? So which is 231 minus root 3 upon 4 multiplied 441, right? So if we solve this, okay, so answer is in this form only, 231 minus 441 upon 4 root 3 centimeter square. This is our solution, complete solution. Question number 5. You can just go through it. Firstly, we have determined length of arc, then area of sector, then area of segment. Now question number 6 is exactly similar to question number 5. In this sixth question also you have to find out area of minor and major segment. So area of minor segment will be equal to area of minor sector minus area of triangle. So for that, first prove that the triangle is equilateral triangle and then use this formula. Now area of major segment is equal to pi r square minus area of minor segment. So when you will get the value of minor segment, you can subtract it from pi r square and get the value of area of major segment. Next, question number 7 has been reduced from the syllabus due to this corona pandemic. So questions related to 120 degree has been deleted from the syllabus. So you can just remove this question. So in the next video, we'll talk about question number 8 and further questions. So thank you for watching this video.